people. Welcome to our YouTube channel today. This is for your kids. Just bring out your kids for me. Let them bring out their book, their pen, and their paper. We on live video again to train our kids on how to do so many things. So today I say make I come and teach them the LCM, that's the least common multiple. Some people used to say is the lowest common multiple. The lowest common multiple from my own side of understanding is the number when you divide it, it will have no remainder. If it has five numbers like 2, 6, 4, 8, you use one number to divide all of them, there will be no remainder. Like now, okay, now we are talking about we are mathematics today. So we are talking about our lowest common multiple. We have lowest common multiple, they have a highest, and today we are talking about the least common multiple. So this for our kids. So just pay attention. Common multiple, we'll talk about numbers. Just give me your ear, my kids. So today we are live here to teach our kids how to do these calculations. Sometimes we parents don't have time for our kids again. So that's why we say we'll be coming live sometime to give our kids the best thing they're supposed to know on mathematics. Like if you're in primary 2, primary 4, primary 3, you're supposed to know at least the basic aspect of things. That's why I say this video is for kids. If they want to learn mathematics, let them come closer with their pen and their paper. The last one we talked about is on Igbo language, but on today I have come to let them know some aspect of mathematics, and we are talking about our least common multiple numbers. Now, let me give you an example of what I'm saying. Assuming I ask you to count in a group of two, count in a group of two. When I ask you to count in a group of two now, what would you do? I ask you to count this in a group of two. So this is the two. Then what you need to do is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Because I asked to count in a group of two, what two can divide and it will have no remainder. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. That's ETC, because you still have till the end of the number. So now, when I ask to count again, count in a group of three. Count in a group of three. What I ask you to do is to count the numbers that three can divide and you have no remainder. Please, I'm still your bag making tutor. I just say I must come to teach our kids things they're supposed to know. If you are in primary school, even in basic one, you're supposed to know LCM. The abbreviation is LCM. Say LCM, my kids.
LCM.
LCM. So coming here now, we have counted in a group of 2. It means that the number that 2 can divide and it will have no remainder. We say we have, count it, 2,
2, 4,
4, 6,
6,
8,
8,
10,
10,
12,
12, 14,
14, 16,
16,
18,
18,
20,
20,
etc,
etc,
and so on and so
so
forth.
forth.
Then when I ask you to count in a group of three, it means that you're supposed to count in a group of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, there is difference between the number in a group of three and the number in a group of two. So we are still coming to let you know. I just want to split it into small ways that even a child in a basic one, basic two will understand what we talked about when we talk about LCM. Now let's go ahead again. So coming here now, I've asked you to count the one that's in a group of three and the one that is in a group of two. So now the ones in a group of two and in a group of three, then I'll ask you now to find the common multiple on these two. To find the common multiple here. When I ask you to find the common multiple on the 2 and the common multiple on 2 and the 3. So what will you do? To find the common multiple on a group of 2 and on a group of 3, what will you do? I told you what we're talking about now is the LCM. That is the least common multiple. So now to find in a group of 3, the number that 2 can divide it and the 3 can also do what? Divide it. Then coming here now, on a group of this, we can get this one, 6. Can you see this?
Yes.
So what again do we have here?
12.
We have 12. This did not follow. What again do we have together
18.
here? Then we have 18 here. Did you have any other one here?
No.
You know, and so on and there,
Yes.
so forth. So that is the number that 2 can divide and 3 can also do what?
Divide.
It. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
So the common multiple of 2 and the 3 based on the number we wrote here is what? 6, 12,
and
18, and so on and there,
so forth.
So that is the common multiple of 2 and 3. That's the common multiple of 2 and 3. Then coming here now, what's the least common multiple of this? Is what? 6. The least common multiple of this is what?
6.
Because 6 is the least, not the highest, but the least common multiple of 2 and 3. And then coming here now, remember 2 can divide 12, 6 can divide 12, and 6 can divide 18. I hope you are following me, because I want us to do this thing step by step. Step by step. Even a child in a primary 2, 3, or 4 can understand what we are talking about here. We talked about least common multiple, and we have count in a group of 2. And the group of 2 is what? I want you, after this, you'll be the best on LCM. So we talked about what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16,
18.
20, and so on and so forth. Counting in a group of what? 3. You know, this is a group of 3. Sorry for the line here. Counting in a group of 3 now, we talked about 6. We talked about what? 3, 6. Because 3 can divide what? 3. When you people are in a group of 3 now, we are into a number B, and I ask you to come and to share something that is 3. How many will each one get from that? You get what? 1. That's why 3 can divide 3. And 3 can divide 6. 3 can divide 9.
9.
So the count of 3, we'll talk about 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and so on and there. So forth. And so on and there. So forth. So if I ask you now to find the common multiple of 2 and 3, even the common multiple of 3 and 4. You can find the common multiple of 3 and 4. When you find the common multiple of 3 and 4, you get 12 because 4 can do what? So let's go ahead and do that one now. So let's find the common multiple of 3 and 4. Let's get the common multiple of 2 and 4. 3 and 4, sorry. So let me clean up the common multiple of 2. So we're talking about common multiple of what? 3 and 4. Let's know whether we have common multiple of 3 and 4. So this is common multiple of count in a count of 3. So let's go on a count of what? Count of what? 4. So, oh sorry. Count of what? Count in a group of
4.
Count in a group of what? 4. In a group of what? 4. We talked about 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. So to find the common multiple of 4 and 3 now, let's see whether we'll have it here. We'll have what? 12. This is 12. Abi?
Yes.
What again we have in common?
24.
Did you understand?
Yes.
Hope you are getting what I'm saying here.
Yes.
So the common multiple of 4 and 3 and 4, the common multiple of 3 and 4 is what? 12 and the what?
24.
So the least common multiple of this is what? 12. The least common multiple of the 3 and 4 is what?
12.
The least common multiple of 3 and 4 is what?
12.
So that is how we are doing here now. So now when I ask you to write or find the common multiple of 3 up to the first term multiple, like I will ask you, write down the first term multiple of 3. The first term multiple of what? 3. So all these are the small ones you're supposed to know before you go to bigger ones. So I just want to clear everything for you, making the big foundation that you're supposed to use to learn. You understand what I'm saying? So that this is the foundation, the fundamental aspect of this mathematics now. So when I ask you, write down the first, I ask you to write down the first, what? 10 multiple of number 1, 3, number 2, 4, number 3, Number 4, 2. So I now ask you to write the common multiple of all these things. Number 5 is 5. Write the common multiple of what? All this number up to number 5. What did you supposed to do? Number 1, what I ask you is to write the number that clearly can divide up to 10 numbers. Up to 10 numbers. Because you might see this on your exam, like those in primary 2. You can see this. Write down the first 10 multiple of 3, 4, 5, 2, 5. Okay, let's change one of them to 6. Or we can stop at this number 4. Because I'll still give you an assignment to submit tomorrow on during our live session. For all the kids that is watching on live, you will still submit your own assignment on the comment section. Just give me the answers of the question I asked. So now let's go ahead. The first 10 multiple of 3, this is number 1. Oh yeah, is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then the next one is what? 30. So if you don't know how to do this, let me show you what you need to do. For you to solve it to your own understanding, like those in primary 1, primary 2, primary 3, you don't understand how did I come across 6, 9, 12. Because of your understanding, what you need to do is to say the common multiple of 3. The common multiple of 3 is equals to, you bring out your rough paper. You say the first one is 3, okay, comma. The second one, you say 3 plus 3 is equals to what? 6. Abi, you put on the 6. Then coming again, you say 6 plus another 3 is equals to what? 9. You put this 9 here. Then coming again, you say this 9 that is the answer now plus another what? 3 again is equals to what? 12. Then you come back again and say this is equals to what? 12. Then you say 12 plus another 3 again. Just will be adding just 3 on top of the answer you have gotten. So this is 15. You say 15 plus 3 is equals to 18. 18 plus 3 is equals to 21. So that's how you will come across this number that we have written here. Did you get what I'm saying? Did you understand what I'm talking about here? So after you might have finished this one, then we'll go on the next one. That is number 2. That is number 2. That is number 2. So this is number 2. So we talked about 4. So the multiple of 4 is equals to what? The first of all, you put on the number, because 4 can divide its own self. 4 can divide its what? Self. Then we are going to go ahead and do the same calculation we did here on the part of a common multiple of a 3. Then this is the common multiple of 4. So now From the answer, 4 plus 4 is equals to what? 8. You put another, you put 8 on your answer. Coming down here, this s that is your answer plus another 4 is equals to what? 12. So I just want to make this your own understanding. If you don't know how you can get this, you go ahead and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus this 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is equals to 12. You calculate it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You come and write your answer, that is what? 12. Then coming to the next one, you write down this 12 that you have gotten as your answer plus another what? 4. So coming here now, you add, you will not clean this one up. The only thing you need to do is to add extra 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So plus another 4, because this is 1, 2, 3. So the 4 will now be into 3 different places. So let's go ahead. This is 12 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Based on what we wrote here is equals to what? Well, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the answer is what? 16. So that's how we are going to do based on multiple of 4. So this one is 16. The next one will be 20. Just be doing it the way you are seeing it on the board. After 20 is there 24. After 24, 28, then 32, then 36, and so on and so forth. So that's why we are going to go on this multiple of 10, writing down the first multiple of 10 for 4. Coming to 5, you say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. You know, 5, 10, or 10, 20 is as simple as A, B, C, D. Children actually catch those ones as fast as possible. So coming here now, this is number 2. We have finished number 2. Then coming to number 3, that is 5, 10, 15, 20. The same thing applies here. Just do it the way you are seeing it on the board. 5 common is equals to 5, 10, 15, 15 what? 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So that's how we are going to do on the next one. So coming to number 4. Coming to number 4 now, is there 2 is equals to what? 2. You first of all put down the 2, because 2 can divide its what? Now, in fact, any number can divide its self. That's why you put this 2 on its own. 2, 4. So it's 2 plus 2 is equals to what? 4. Are you getting what I'm saying here?
Yes.
Hope you are getting me very well.
Yes.
So it's 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. 6 plus 2 is equals to 7. Is equals to 8, sorry. So and so on and so forth. So coming here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Hope you are getting what I'm saying here. So now let's go ahead on one other example, then we'll call it a day today. We'll call it a day today. So now we're going to find the first five common multiple of what? The number that I will. Hope you have finished writing all these ones.
Yes.
Hope you have finished writing all these ones. Or you finish it up now. Finish it up immediately so that we can go ahead. Make sure you are getting what I'm saying. The important thing is for you to understand what I'm talking about, because I will give you an assignment that you will submit to me tomorrow. You will submit it tomorrow on our live video. For kids that's watching online, please submit your assignment through the comment section. Just give me an answer to the assignment. Coming back to class tomorrow, we are going to solve it together, because it's very, very, very important to do correction on our class. So find the first common multiple of So I don't want you to left behind. Just pay attention. This is as simple as A, B, C, D. Exam is coming. I must give you exam on my class. Hope you're finished writing all these ones here.
Yes.
So now coming to our next example, we're going to use two number to find the what first the first find the first common multiple of 2 and 5. That's number one. Number two is the first common multiple of what?
2 and
2 and
5.
3. We have 2 and we have 2 and 3, and we also have number 3. Sorry, we have 3 and 5. And number 3 is 3 and 4. That's number 3. So now let's go ahead and solve it as fast as possible. Please write these ones down. I don't want, while solving the problem on the board, you go ahead and just copying it. I want your ear to follow me. Just pay attention very well to this class. This class is so interesting. It's a very simple mathematics. I want you to get the fundamental, the background of this mathematics, so that anywhere you are, anyone they give you, you can go ahead and do what? Solve it by yourself. So now let's go ahead again. Are you following me?
Yes.
Hope we are done with this one now. So now to find the first common multiple of 2 and 5, number one, to find the 2, the common multiple of 2. Common multiple of what? 2 is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So you say we'll stop at what? The first common multiple of the first five common multiple would not put this five. The first five common multiple, the first five, I will have passed itself. The first five, just pay attention to what they ask you. Did they ask you to find the first five, the first 10, the first 20, so that will not exceed what they asked you to do? So now they ask us to find the first common multiple, that the first five common multiple. The first five common
multiple.
So this is the first five common multiple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all these ones will just go away. And then the first common multiple of 3 again is equals to what? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. That's the first common multiple of 3. That's the first common multiple of what?
3.
The first common multiple of 2 and then 3. Did you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Hope you are getting what I'm saying here.
Yes.
Please, I don't want you to left what behind. Please do fast so that you can do other ones. So I'll give you this number 2 and number 3 as an assignment. Just go home and do these two for me. Then tomorrow we are going to conclude this. We have not finished this. We are still going to conclude on this one. Do you understand what I'm saying? We are still going to conclude on this one. Just go home and solve this for me. Use the same procedure that I use the same procedure. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Just use the same procedure. That way that I taught you this night. Use it so that we can go ahead and do the other ones. Thanks so much for watching the video today. For other kids that's watching us, please, tomorrow is the next day for us to complete this. Thank you so much. Thank you. Good night. Bye bye. Say bye bye to your fellow kids.
Bye bye.
We have asked questions today. but it will be tomorrow. So if you have any question, you can go ahead and ask it tomorrow. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
You don't understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
And I'll ask you questions tomorrow. If you fail it, let me and you.